Let's talk about project settings. Go to Project Settings. In the General tab under Configs, you can change the project name, description, icons and more. Under Display window, you can change the screen size, mood and other display options. Change the mood to full screen so it looks better after export. Then close the window.
Now it's time to export your game. But when you export for the first time, you need an additional component called export templates. So first we need to download those templates. Go to editor, manage export templates. You will see a message saying export templates are missing, download them or install from a file. Click download and install. This is the easiest option because it automatically downloads the correct version. You will need an active internet connection for this. Also, the templates are nearly 1 GB in size, so it may take some time to download. After the installation is finished, you can close the window. You only need to do this one time. You don't need to repeat it for every project. Now we are ready to export our project.
Go to Project, Export. First add an export preset. I choose Windows Desktop. Tick Embed PCK and then Export Project. It will ask where to save. I made the builds folder and kept the name as the same. Remove the tick from Export with Debug, then click Save. Now you have your game as an exe file. Give it to your friends to try. So congratulations, you have reached the end of this walking simulator tutorial series. If you followed along, you should now have a complete project similar to the one I showed. If you are a complete beginner, you may have struggled at certain points. That is totally fine. Learning anything new takes time. If something did not work the way I showed, try again on a fresh day with a fresh mind. Also, if you need the final project files, you can download it here. Feel free to explore, experiment and change things. This is not the end of this tutorial. This series will continue with more lessons. So make sure to subscribe so you will not miss any new content. See you soon.